Welcome back, guys. Welcome on my YouTube channel Asees Khan Official. In this video I will tell you about how to change the font of a text or line or sentence in MS Word. So there are many options available for change the font like bold, italic, underline. So I will tell you the procedure step by step about all the options. So before starting the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Asees Khan Official and like my videos. Thank you. So let's start the video. First of all, I will select the line or sentence which I need to be bold. For example, I select this line. After it, I will go to home and click on bold option. Then you can see that my text is now in bold font. And on the second line, I want to make this line italic. So first of all, I will select the line. After it, I will go to home and click on italic option or press Ctrl plus I. When I click on I italic, so you can see that my line is in italic font. After it, on the third line, I want to make it underline. So first of all, first step is to select the line which I make to be underlined. After it, I will go to home, click on underline option, and you can see that the underline options works. If I want to change the underline, so I will go to this option and select the required line which I want to be, and after it I will click OK. So you can see that underline works. And if I want to change the underline color, so I will go to underline option and change the color, like I will choose this one. So here I will select this one, go to underline option and select the underline color. So here you can see that how I change the underline color. So before and to watch such like videos about MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, AutoCAD, please subscribe my YouTube channel to get interact with each other. Thank you.